Buttersnotch. Oh no. I'm dead. Wrenching machine. It has been nice knowing you. Okay. Please be fixed eventually. Yes, sir. You went against the castle rules. A stupid cough? I know and people who tell the secrets of the castle get thrown into death's pit. Well, in other words, you get executed. Oh! No need to curse in frustration. This will be a fast death. Trust me. Snurgle, chase down Buttersnotch, tackle him to the ground, and pin him to the ground, and prepare him for what's about to happen. Okay, this should be fun. Oh, shoot! Oh. Search him. You go get the dogs. Ooh, of course, sir. I love those 15 dogs. Well, I guess I'll just be going. Oh, no, you don't. You stay here. Huh? Really? Yes. I might need that lovely knife of yours. Ooh, headache. Oh, please, Snuggle. We used to be best friends. Ah. Oh, don't you remember the contamination thing? You and I have had too many interactions. Oh. He's pinned. Sir, the dogs are very heavy. Fine, you can let them go now. Ooh, I can't wait for this plan. Whoa. No! Ow, 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 ow. Perfect. Now we all get to watch as he gets bitten by the dogs and whacked by their amazing tails. Ow! Oh! Ah, get off, Poochie. Ugh. How dare you throw my dog? Ha! What the heck? Take this, traitor! Snuggle, throw that to me. Oh, no you don't. Ha! Oh! Ah! Yes, that's it. Just throw it. Where am I? I might as well murder someone today. That was close. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Perhaps you are useful after all. Thank you. You're welcome. Now I'm going. So be it. Ta-ta. That's what you get, traitor.